The Association of Kenya Medical Laboratory and Scientific Officers has called on the Ministry of Health to roll out mass COVID-19 testing across the country. Speaking in Kisumu, the medics argue that the current numbers issued by the Ministry of Health fail to meet the requisite standards to make an accurate conclusion of the country's COVID-19 prevalence rates. And as Laura Otieno reports, Health PS Susan Mochache has called on Kenyans to turn up for vaccination to avert possible infections.
At the 27th Medical Laboratory Exhibition Conference in Kisumu, the Association of Scientific Officers says laboratories across the country are well equipped to roll out mass testing, with reagents procured during the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic lying idle in the labs. Through its leadership, the association pointed out the need to test a larger pool of people to ensure the country puts in place adequate measures in healthcare systems to contain the pandemic.
They're saying about 2% are now infected, but this data is not very accurate because we are only testing targeted groups.
The government has obtained a lot of the testing materials. If the government can decide to do a surveillance like for a quarter a year, a period of 3 months, I think that will do to give us accurate statistics.
The Lake Region Economic Bloc Committee had projected a sixth wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in May that was expected to peak between May 17th and June 2nd, cautioning Kenyans to remain vigilant. Health PS Susan Mochache decrying decreased vaccine uptake among Kenyans in recent months.
Tuna chanjo hivi sasa milioni 8, lakini changamoto ni kwamba Wakenya hawatoki kupata chanjo hizi kwa sababu watu ni kama waliona kwamba corona imeisha. Ningependa kusema kwamba corona haijaisha.
In the last 24 hours, 57 people, among them a 5-year-old child, tested positive for COVID-19 from a sample size of 2,954. The positivity rate now stands at 1.9%. Laura Otieno, Citizen TV.